We're now going to be looking at another fault, adequate clearance. Remember, I make the fault, Sean will do it correctly. See if you can identify the fault. Did you identify the fault? On the approach to the black car, I left it far too late for moving away from the curb and therefore ended up shaving the black vehicle. Sean now will show you the correct way.
We're going to be taking the next road on the right. So as we approach any junction like this, we should always be looking into the road, and there we can see the parked cars on the left hand side. Now ideally what we're going to do is give a door's width clearance, but if we can't do that, we're going to reduce the speed. But here I'm going to do both, because I've got cars on both sides and we've just had a vehicle manoeuvring in front of us. So I can see the parked car coming up, so we're checking my interior and offside to move out to the right, moving out nice and early so my position is to signal, giving it plenty of clearance, moving back into left having checked the mirrors first. They're going to pull up on the left hand side of the road. As you can see there, we gave those vehicles plenty of clearance, about an open door's width. You would try to do the same wherever possible. If you can't give that sort of clearance, then reduce the speed accordingly. Less space, less speed. Remember, we also need to give adequate clearance to other vulnerable road users such as motorcyclists and cyclists, and give them at least as much room, if not slightly more, than you would give any other stationary obstruction.